Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty. I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel, and I also toss in some plus size clothing hauls and unboxings. Today's unboxing is gonna be my Ipsy Glam bag and my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for September. Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with our Ipsy Glam bag and BoxyCharm by Ipsy, our Ipsy Glam bag, the OG, the one I've gotten since 2015, this is a $13 monthly subscription where you receive 5 products and a makeup bag. And the products in here are typically travel, try me size products. And our BoxyCharm by Ipsy, love the packaging by the way, is a $28 monthly subscription where you receive 5 full-size products. This is so generously gifted to me from Ipsy, so thank you so much to Ipsy. We're gonna dive right in. I have a little bit of makeup on, so maybe we can test some stuff out. And y'all, today is the 1st, and that would normally just mean that today's the 1st, but our choice opens today. Your choice is now open on the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd. So I want to hurry up and get this up for you guys, let you know what you could get in your bag and what I could get in my paid for bag. This is a spoilers video. If you do not like spoilers and you do not want to know what's coming this month, then I'll see you on the next one. We're going to dive in first to the Glam bag, the OG one. That is a big old thick bag, so I have high hopes. Let's make sure there's no stragglers in our bag. And the theme for this month is, this September, let's find your groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. So really excited about that, and the bag is definitely groovy. It reminds me of something from the 70s, and I'm from the 70s. So it's super cute, bright, bold, colorful. The zipper pull is a really cool tassel. So let's go ahead and dive in. The very first thing I'm seeing is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule with spirulina and blue tansy. Again, these are all like travel minis. Sometimes we do get full-size products in here, lipsticks, eyeliners, mascaras, etc. Next up, speaking of liners, I think, is the Kokie Cosmetics Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. And this says Play 2-in-1, waterproof and smudge-proof. It has a metallic copper and a matte brown. Ooh, that sounds lovely. If you're new here, I don't do a whole lot of liner solely because my eyes are so sensitive and because I'm allergic to everything. Great to have. I'm excited to have that, but I don't know that I'm going to keep it. And anything that I don't keep from my PR packages, I know I'm not going to use, I put it all to the side for giveaways, random act of kindness, things like that. Next up is a little squeezy tube. This is the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask, made to smooth, firm, and hydrate your skin, anti-aging. I actually did this as my choice in my paid for Ipsy Glam bag. I really love Hey Honey, so I'm excited to have that. Next up is something else I really love. This is the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I love the minis. I love getting my OG Glam bag because we travel to see our son quite frequently. We are new empty nesters, and I go through those types of products very, very quickly. And then last but not least, in here is a massive size of the Fab or First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. This is an OG classic, one of my all-time favorite products. I really love their primers and everything, and that's a really good size. I like that it's a little bit more skincare heavy. I know some of you don't, so I'm so sorry to my beauty bag lovers. You got one product in here, and keep in mind this is a selection that you could get. This is not necessarily what your bag is going to be curated to be. I'm thrilled. I like everything. I like the bag as a whole for sure. I'm excited. Next up, let's dive into our BoxyCharm by Ipsy. All right. First thing right on top, I'm seeing a palette, and it's actually bubble wrapped. Shocking. This is a Laura Geller palette, another OG classic. I've used Laura Geller for many, 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 many years. I'm a QVC ho. Anybody else? I mean, like from way back in the day. This is the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Soft Satins, 6 matte eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. Nice. I like that. It's very like just kind of soft, sweet, romantic vibes. Here is the back of the palette. And then I will also show you what it looks like. Keep in mind too, I do try to demo things if I can, but I am a person that I try not to be wasteful. If I know I'm not going to use something, I'm not gonna demo it. With that being said, I wanna ask you guys this. If I use something for demo purposes here, because I know some people like to see demos and things like that, so you know maybe, hey, should I buy this or not buy it? Should I choose it as my choice or not choose it as my choice? Because I don't like to be wasteful, I'm wondering if I use products, obviously if it's a mascara or something, then I have my own answer. But, you know, with lipsticks, I can use an applicator instead of using the applicator. Like with lipsticks, I can use a throwaway applicator instead of what comes with it. I can use, you know, a palette and sanitize it. Are you guys okay with if at the end of a demo, I'm like, I don't think I'll use it again, and I solely demo it for you guys? Are y'all okay with me doing a giveaway with those types of products? Please comment down below and let me know. Let me shut the heck up. It is literally what it says. It is very neutral. I do like that it goes from light to dark. It's all matte, and then you could use the highlighters as shimmers or obviously as highlighters. I also like that there's a more mid-tone and a deeper highlighter. I don't quite know how that would look on very fair skin, but I like that we're getting a little bit more inclusion here. Thank goodness. So I personally don't need this, and I personally would not use this, but moving forward, please let me know your thoughts on being able to do a full-on demo for you guys and then still being able to give these away. Just comment down below. Let me know. Thrilled to have it. It's cute. It's not for me. That's all. Next up is the Tarte Maneater Mascara Waterproof. Obviously, everything in here is a full size. This is also something that I am not personally going to use because I do not like waterproof mascaras. That is a personal preference. You do you. Do what makes you feel like the best version of yourself, always. Next up is a massive skincare something or other. This is Dermalogic's Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Energizing Body Lotion. That sounds real nice, y'all. And that packaging is nice. It feels quite heavy as well. I'm excited about this. It says, lavish your skin with nourishing moisture and enliven your senses with an uplifting scent. Dermalogic's body lotion delivers essential moisturization, leaving the skin nourished, refreshed, and energized. Contains humectants, which helps to pull water in, proteins, and conditioners that attract and bind moisture to the skin while protecting it with antioxidants. That sounds great. It's paraben-free, no animal testing, and 24-month shelf life. I'm excited. I'm really loving this bag so far. And even though I say like I would not necessarily use these, it doesn't mean I think they're bad products. They're just not RIRI products. That's all. Next up is a little something something from Keys. Ooh, Keys Soul Care Comforting Tinted Lip Balm in, that is real pink, y'all. But it says Sheer Bliss. Hopefully it's sheer, because if it's not, I am not using this. We're going to open it and see. There is the shade. And here's the shade. I think it's super pretty. Definitely not as bright and kind of out there as what the packaging is indicative of. I have enough lip balms, and even though I love Keys Soul Care, like the cream blush is my all-time favorite cream blush ever, ever, ever. I don't need this per se, so I'm gonna put it to the side. I may keep it and put it on my nightstand. We'll see. And then last but not least is the Danessa Myrix Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil in the shade Lilac Quartz. I do actually have one of these, and I also sent, I'm pretty sure, this exact shade to my friend Kate in our holiday swap. Let me look for mine. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to put this one to the side, and I will show you what this one looks like. The packaging is 10 out of 10, and my shade is the shade Amethyst. And I'll try to do a gigantic swatch so you guys can see really, really good. I will say this is not my favorite product. It looks really beautiful, especially in swatches, but it's a little bit more of a kind of dry, firm texture. So it doesn't, in my opinion, and for me personally, it did not glide as well as I would have liked, and it did not stay in my waterline. So there's the swatch. And I don't know that you guys are going to be able to see it, and I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. A lot of times it's harder for stuff like that to show up on camera, but it's definitely got like a greenness to it. It's got like greeny, goldy, and then of course the purple shift in it. But I think overall, especially if you are a makeup heavy lover, like this is all makeup other than our body lotion. So we had our body lotion, we have a mascara, the lip product, the eyeshadows, and an eyeliner. So I think these are beautiful choices. Again, just because it's not for me or because I don't need it right now does not mean that I'm not thrilled to have it or don't think that it's not a beautifully curated box. I think this is a fabulous selection, and I think a lot of people are going to be really, really happy with this. What are you hoping to get in your own box? I'm really thrilled to see what I get in my paid for box. Sadly, I'm not going to be trying anything on for you guys, but moving forward, please let me know. Comment down below, you know, if I were to try some of these products out, are you okay getting these types of products? Again, obviously I wouldn't do like mascaras and stuff like that, but if I test an eyeshadow palette, if I test a lipstick but use, you know, an applicator, a throwaway applicator, whatever the case may be, if I try the lotion one time and I'm like, oh, that I don't like the scent or whatever, are you okay getting those as giveaways at the end of the video or something? Please let me know. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Hopefully this helps you maybe make some good choices today. Don't forget, choices open right now. That is it, beauties. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you so, so much. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.